Hello, teacher.
Hello, Potato. Good evening. How are you today? Hello.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yes.
All
I am.
right.
Yes.
Okay. Potato, have you eaten your dinner already? Done eating? Potato, finished eating?
No.
No, not yet done.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no,
All
no, no,
right. Okay.
no,
Wait me.
no,
Potato,
no,
let me
no,
share
no,
now the
no,
screen so
no,
we can start with
no,
our
no,
lesson.
no, no, no,
Love to read.
no.
Love to sing.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Okay, Potato, I have here lesson
No,
3 of this unit. So we have here Potato. Before we ended our class last time, we had singular and plural nouns. Okay, if we say singular, it means it's only one. Okay, only one. If we say plural nouns, these are nouns that are two or many. Okay, singular, only one. Plural, that's many. Now here, Potato, what is this in the picture? Please read. What's in the picture? We have
I don't know.
a curtain. Again,
Got it.
curtain. Next, this one, curtains. Again.
What things?
Okay, now look at here, Potato. In the first picture, wait, I'll change the color. Potato, in the first picture, it's only one. That's why we say a curtain. Okay? But here in the next picture, Potato, how many curtains can you see? Can you count? One, go. How many curtains can you see?
One.
Only one? One. Next. Two.
One.
Three. And how many curtains? How many curtains we have?
I don't know.
4. Can you count? Come on, please count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, very good. So Potato, here in the second picture, we have 4 curtains. That's why Potato, when we say nouns in plural form, we add S. Can you see the S? Curtains. It means it's many. But if we only say curtain, that means it's only one. Okay? So Potato, the letter S there is very important because without S, you will think that the thing is only one. But if it's many, there is S. Curtains. Again?
Yes.
Again, curtains. Potato, curtains. Okay, many. All right, so Potato, look at here. Next one we have here is, what is this? Please read, Potato. What is this? A cup. Again,
Okay.
how many cup can you see?
One.
One. Very good. This one, Potato, what is this? This is cup.
It's cups.
Oh, how many cups? How many? 4. Okay, very good. Cups. Okay, how about this, Potato? What's this? A
Window.
window. How many window can you see? How many?
I don't know.
How many window can you see? Come on, tell me.
I don't know.
I see how many window?
I see one
Very
and
good.
two.
One window. That's why you say window. It means only one. And how about this potato? What's this?
Windows.
Windows.
Window.
How many windows?
4. Window.
4. Okay, great word. Okay, what's this potato?
Okay, box.
A cupboard. Okay. This one, what's this?
A cupboard.
Cupboards.
Cupboard.
Yeah, many. A cupboard is only one. Cupboards, it means it's many. Okay. Now here, potato, always remember if we say singular, the noun is only one. But if we say plural, that is more than one. Again, plural means more than potato. More than one. Very good. Okay, I have here
Television.
one. What's this?
Television.
Television. Okay.
Computer.
What's this?
Computer.
Computer. Oh, good.
Fridge.
This one. Fridge.
Washing
This
machine.
one.
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Good
Clean.
job. What's this? This is
Clean.
clean.
Dirty.
This one. Look at the pig.
Dirty.
Dirty. Correct. So we have clean pig and a dirty pig. Okay, potato, look at here. Now here, if you say, is there, if you're gonna ask, is there a pig? Oh, no S if it's only one. But if it's many, you put S or add S. Then you will say, yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Again, no, there. No, there. Come on. No, there isn't. Correct, potato. So here, potato, I want you to read the dialogue. Come on, please read number 1. Is there?
Is there?
Come on. Is there a bed in the bedroom? Again.
There a bed in the bedroom?
Okay. What's the answer?
Yes, there is.
Very good. Okay, now here, another one, potato. Is there? Please read, potato. Is there?
Is there?
A cupboard? Again.
Is there a cupboard?
In the living room?
All the living room. Yes. No,
No.
there isn't.
Very good. It's no, there isn't. Okay. Now, potato, I want you to write the plural word of the following. Example, potato. Example. We have here is, wait me, potato. Example. Plant. Okay? It will now say plant. Put S. Can you do that, potato? Add S. Telephone, telephones. Again? Oh, come on, please write now. Right now, write. Dali. All right, add S. Telephone, telephones. Okay? Go, potato. Teacher will wait.
What?
You answer now. You write the answer.
You are with me.
Yeah. No, just copy. Just copy. Add S.
Now, Not.
Like teacher or like here, look at here. Telephones, just copy.
Wait,
TELEPHONS.
let me. You're faster.
Go. Just copy. Just copy. The one here in number 1. Just add S in the last. That's easy. Go.
Let me. I am slow. Telephone. Huh. So, A. No, A. And let me. I don't have to cut. Không chip bấm bấm ấy, bấm ấy, bấm đâu, bấm ấy, bấm đâu, đây, bấm 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 bấm. The telephone.
Okay, next, potato. Books.
Books. Books. Books.
Okay, right, potato, right.
You ever with me?
Oh, just copy this one, potato. Just this one. Just this. Oh, copy just that one. Just write it.
I don't know.
Just write.
What a pants? What
Yeah.
a pants?
Pens, books, desks. Can you do it?
Let me. I am hungry. Yeah, band.
Potato, number 2 is books. Pen is down. Number 3. Look at there. You add S, potato. Add S. Add S. Like that. Add S to all. Okay, go.
Books. Books in books.
Books. Put S.
Okay. You is
Yeah, put
box.
S. Go now.
Is box.
Oh,
You
go.
saw here.
Yeah, you're
You
right.
saw here.
You're right.
What?
Like
You
this.
eat. Tại earphone.
Go now, you're right.
You eat an earphone. You eat an earphone. You eat an earphone.
I'm using
You eat
earphone.
an earphone and book. You
Oh.
eat an earphone and book.
Okay, go. You're right now. The plural form.
Tại cái chữ của cô. Tại cái chữ của cô là gì? I can know tại cái chữ của cô gì? You is cái chữ của cô. You eat either. You eat con trao khu phủ. Rồi đi mẹ. Mẹ. Không. You erase your telephone and book.
I will erase. Okay, I will erase.
Huh?
Wait me. I'll go.
Yes.
It's there.
It's telephone too. Telephone.
Just wait.
Telephone.
Oh, it will erase. Wait me, I will write.
Ah.
Okay, go. Go, Potato. You answer number 2 to 10. Answer now. Go.
Ah. I don't like. Yeah, books.
What else? Book.
Books. Ui. Rồi. Không. Books. Không.
Con nhìn kỹ lại bài cô giảng đi, đã biết chưa?
Không books mà.
Cô giảng bảo con thêm số nhiều cơ mà.
Thêm số nhiều.
Để thêm S. Biết các từ
I don't know.
What else?
I
Like
don't
telephones.
It's right. I don't know.
You're right now.
I don't know.
Why? Just like telephone, telephones. Book.
Difficult. It's difficult.
Difficult. Just put S. Potato like this. Oh, just add S.
Oh,
Not difficult. Oh, telephone. Books. Add S. Pens. Add S. Desk. S. Windows. Beds. Boards. Shoes. Lamp. Pictures like that. Why it's difficult? That's so easy for you. Very easy. Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah, good. But next, add S to all. Go.
Pants. Tax. Tax. I am writing the books. I write
Okay,
books.
where is it? Okay, right.
Books. Books. Yeah, window. Windows. Windows. Pets. 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 Um, Was. Bus. Yeah.
Okay,
teacher.
potato. Okay, potato. Please read now. Okay, you say telephone.
Read me.
Faster.
G is no.
Okay,
I'm
potato.
sorry.
We have here telephone, telephones. Again. Read.
Telephone. Is called telephone engine.
Oh.
Is the
Book,
telephone engine.
books. Again, book, books.
Is the telephone engine.
Correct. Pens.
This.
Say pens. Oh, sorry.
Yêu rồi.
Okay, potato, look at here.
Here.
Yeah. Look at here, potato. Oh, wait. Potato, you enter again to the Zoom class, potato. We will discuss this one. Come on, enter again.
Bye bye.